Hi there. Today's tried and tested recipe is fragrant tea with saffron made two ways. Get ready to make it a special day with gourmet tea at home. Those fancy tea shops another time. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? The ingredients first: good quality Assam tea, sugar, some green cardamoms, saffron strands soaking in hot water, Garam Masala powder, full fat milk, and some sweetened condensed milk. I have taken the milk in a jug that I can put in the microwave to heat up the milk. Heat up the milk so that it's very hot but not boiling. So I am using a hand blender to beat the milk and create the froth. It's basically beating the milk to incorporate air in it. That makes the milk foamy and frothy. So I'll keep doing this for a bit. After beating for about 5 minutes, can you see the foam on top? The trick is to hold the blade at an angle over the surface of the milk and then beat like this. There you go. Make the tea or the liquor as per your recipe. So to the boiling water, add in the tea leaves and let it boil till you get a nice color. A couple of green cardamoms, just crush them lightly. That's a nice color. I'll add in the crushed green cardamoms and the pods. Add in the sugar as per your taste and let it boil for a few more minutes. That's done. So I'll just turn off the heat and add in my saffron water. I don't want to boil it. This is a mild and very delicate fragrance and I don't want to lose any of it. Strain the tea into a cup and leave some space to add the milk. Gently pour in some warm milk. If you like the recipe, do share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section. Finish it off with a bit of the saffron water and strands of saffron right on top. Leave it as it is. To boiling water, add tea leaves and make a dark liquor. Don't add any sugar. Pour in some of the condensed milk right at the base of the cup. This will act as a sweetener and also the whitener or milk. Use a knife or a spatula to pour the tea. So you're actually pouring the tea onto the knife or the spatula. Go slowly so that you do not mix up too much of the condensed milk with the tea. Leave some space on top. Spoon in the prepared foam on top. Be very gentle. That looks so pretty. That's about it. Decorate it with a few strands of saffron on top. Sprinkle some Garam Masala. Serve them hot and enjoy the gourmet tea with your folks.